the studio doing this long series on Texas family law. And, you know, before I have started each part of this segment, I am making a point to note that not only are we facing our most challenging economic situation in certainly my lifetime. I thought the housing market crisis was bad, but the coronavirus has really been economically crushing to so many more people than that one, and it's had a profound impact on many of our friends, colleagues, and neighbors. And our thoughts and our prayers and our wishes for a return to economic stability so you can provide for your families and loved ones is there and has continued to be there. And more importantly, we are rocked by the civil unrest of the death of Mr. Floyd in Minnesota. And, you know, as a member who has the privilege to be an attorney for the accused, I am troubled and I am listening, as we all are, and it just resonates with me. The motto of this great nation is, out of many, we are one. And we are one nation, we are one people, and we are listening. So I've been talking in this video series about Texas family law and what to expect at a temporary orders hearing. Temporary orders hearings can be dangerous because often they are a hearing situation where you do not know what evidence the other side is going to present. And kind of in a normal divorce where there aren't these allegations of violence or need for restraining orders, really not sure what's coming your way. You have some expectation that there's going to be some testimony about which parent is going to be designated the primary residence, and the primary resident parent gets the right to receive child support payments. So you know generally that's coming at you, but you don't know what testimony and evidence and other witnesses will be presented in that situation. And then more to the point is what detrimental evidence, or, you know, you can't see around all those corners, and sometimes neither can your client. And that is dangerous because you're walking into a scenario where you could be sandbagged with some very challenging or harmful testimony and evidence that could be admitted that shows your client is derelict in their duties as a parent or has secreted monies, things of that nature, and, you know, taken out the, you know, IRA and bought a sailboat, things that really can undermine a case. And more importantly, it's a first impression. It's the first impression for the most part that a judge has with a party to a lawsuit, and first impressions are lasting, and they can be, if they're bad, they are impossible or very, very difficult to overcome. So, you know, be on your guard at a temporary orders hearing and be transparent with your attorney, because we can't know the story of your life, story of your case. Like you live it. We get to tell the story and present the facts and advocate for you in the courtroom, and that's very different from living it. So be transparent with your attorney, help your attorney. And that's very difficult to do because, you know, it's a relationship where it's a relationship of the utmost good faith and fair dealing, a fiduciary relationship, the same duty that you owe to your spouse, that your preacher owes to you, that your doctor owes to you, fiduciary relationship, and you form it in a very quick blink of an eye. You get served with a divorce lawsuit, and then you go hire an attorney. You may meet one, you may meet three, and then you've got to, you know, go where your gut instinct tells you to go, and, you know, you form this bond with almost a complete stranger, and they are charged with assisting you in one of the more difficult, if not a very difficult segment of your life, this temporary orders hearing, where there may be testimony that comes out about you that could be good, could be bad, you have no idea, and you have to form these bonds and these relationships and be transparent to this total stranger in what is essentially the blink of an eye. So it's a challenge. So be prepared for that. And that's the whole point of this video series, is to give you some expectation of what's coming at you in a temporary orders hearing situation. So I'll be doing some more on this subject next, but please like, subscribe, and share. I love doing these videos for you. Please leave me a comment on any video platform, social media platform you may see these on. And if you have a question or comment, leave one. I'll reply back, or more often in a video message back to you, or both. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the studio for more on Texas family law.